In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Skool account. Whether you're looking to connect with vibrant communities or expand your learning resources, starting off with a Skool account is a great way to dive into collaborative learning and networking. Now let's get you all set up on Skool. First, you'll need to navigate to the Skool sign-up page. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options for creating your new account. You can either continue with Google, which is a quick and easy way to register using your existing Google credentials, or you can choose to sign up with your email address if you prefer keeping things separate. If you decide to continue with Google, simply click on the Continue with Google button and follow the prompts. The process is straightforward. You'll select your Google account, and then you'll likely be asked to grant Skool the necessary permissions. This step makes the sign-up process incredibly efficient. On the other hand, if you opt to sign up using your email, you'll need to provide some essential information. Start by entering your name, followed by your email address. Next, create a strong password that you'll remember. Once you've filled out these fields, click the Sign Up button to proceed. At this point, if you've registered using your email, you'll be prompted to verify it. This step is important for ensuring that your account is secure and properly set up. Head over to your email inbox, and you should see an email from Skool. Open it and click on the confirmation link provided. This will verify your email address and finalize your registration. Now that you've successfully created your Skool account, it's time to personalize your profile. Start by uploading a profile photo. This image will represent you across the Skool platform, so choose one that you're comfortable sharing with others. Next, craft a short bio about yourself. This can include your interests, professional background, or any fun facts you'd like others to know. Once you've added your profile photo and bio, be sure to save your profile. Having both a profile picture and a bio is typically required to join most Skool communities. A complete profile not only makes your account more engaging, but also increases your chances of connecting with others who share similar interests. With everything neatly set up, you're now ready to explore the various Skool communities. Engaging with these communities can enrich your knowledge and expand your network. Remember, the more you participate, the more you'll get out of it. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up and created your Skool account. Thanks for following along and enjoy your journey with Skool.